Hey, it's time to elevate your celery game. Just saying.
What to do with wilted celery? It's really a diamond in the rough if you learn to cook it right. Let's start by simply chopping it all up. This stuff really has good use. Just chop it up into small bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to take a shallot and dice that up nicely. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter to our saute pan. In goes the shallots. Next in is the celery. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And on medium heat, let's saute it for about 4 minutes. 1 tablespoon of rotisserie seasoning mix or bouillon cube or substitute. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper, freshly ground. And a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. This is the real key to this recipe. Let's turn the heat down to low and stir it around to coat that celery. Now look at how good that looks served on a plate. Come on, you're gonna throw that thing out. Celery is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, and is also known to help lower your blood pressure. Plus you get minerals like potassium and folate. Now as a side dish, and quite possibly a meal, that looks pretty attractive, wouldn't you say?
Let's dig into it. I know I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, right? What really makes this unique is that rotisserie chicken seasoning. The light salt and pepper adds to it. You could put some garlic in here too if you'd like. But it almost reminds me of a Brussel sprout as far as the texture, the taste. I mean, the breadcrumbs are really what make it. Just kind of separates the flavor a little bit. Right? Don't knock it. And don't throw celery out. It's still got some uses. Okay. I know it sounds strange, but if you've got a better idea, let me know. This tastes pretty good. For a side, for a quick meal. I'm telling you. This is good. It's hard to believe, right? Celery. It works. Okay, but the real question is, what kind of a wine do you pair with this dish? Well, I'm recommending the Kirkland Sauvignon Blanc. You don't want to get something too pricey. You want something that has a little bit of bite to it. So I'm going with this. Bottom line is, it's definitely pairable. All right. Take care. See you in the next one. All right. Till next time. This stuff is so good. I'm almost tempted to wilt my celery. I'm almost tempted to look for wilted celery. I'm almost tempted to intentionally have my celery wilted. I'm almost intentionally thinking that I should have
Hey, thanks again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for this channel and hit that like button. See you in the next one.